Hey besties, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lara Savage. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to this channel, like this video, share within and outside your circle. Now on this channel, I've been showing you guys some amazing crochet pieces. I would like you guys to go watch them. I'm going to link the playlists down below so that you guys can go check them out. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this amazing, beautiful ruffle hat. It's amazing, it's trendy, it's vibey, it's beautiful, and I'm going to show you guys the process from start to finish. So guys, to make this, I'm going to start by making a magic circle or magic ring. So this is how I always make it. I always wrap it around two of my fingers just like this and make an X at the back of my fingers. Then I'm going to use my hook to pull out the working yarn. Now the working yarn is the longer one, the one you're going to work with, and I'm going to now chain 2. So pull it out and chain 2, and then in this magic circle we're going to make 11 more double crochets. So we need 12 double crochets, but this particular 2 chains I've made up for one of the double crochets. Now I have a video on my channel where I showed you guys how to make different types of stitches, different types of crochet stitches that you guys can learn, and I made it so detailed that you guys will learn a lot. I'm going to link it down below so that you guys can see it. Now to make a double crochet, you're just going to basically yarn over, insert in the circle, yarn over again, pull it out, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So you're going to make sure at the end of this you have 12 double crochets. So 11 double crochets plus the 2 chains. So you're going to have that. And then guys, I would see you at the end of the final double crochet.
Do you see greatness? Trust me, you can take it. Go on and take your aim. Yeah. Built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I can change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break the...
Now guys, this is the end, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull out this shorter yarn. I'm going to pull it so that I have a full circle like this. And then what we're going to do is we're going to finish off this circle. Now how you do it is you're going to make a slip stitch. So insert in the first hole right there. So the first stitch right there. And then yarn over. Then remove this loop from the last loop. So that's how to do a slip stitch. And by that we have a full circle. So guys, now that we have our full circle, we're now going to chain 2. Now after finishing off every circle, make sure you chain 2 afterwards, and then we're now going to put 2 double crochets in each of these stitches. So each of these holes you are going to put 2 double crochets. So in that first hole that we just worked on, put a double crochet in that same hole basically, and then you're going to put another double crochet in that same hole again. So you're going to have 2 double crochets in that big hole. Move to the next one. You're going to make 2 double crochets in that hole as well. So continue making 2 double crochets in each stitch till you get to the other side. So continue doing that, and then I'll show you guys what next to do after you get to that last hole right there. Now guys, I've gotten to the final hole. I've done my 2 double crochets in that hole, and then I'm going to slip stitch so that it makes it a full circle just like I did before. Chain 2 like I always say, and then I'm now going to make 1 double crochet in the first hole right there, then 2 in the next hole, then 1 in the next hole, 2 in the next hole. So you're going to be interchanging it. So after doing 1 in this hole, I'm going to go to the next one and make 2 double crochets in that hole. After that 2 double crochets, we're going to move to the next hole and we're going to make 1 double crochet. Now I'm going to be putting it on the screen row by row so that you guys can know like how many double crochets you're supposed to do on each row. So I'm going to show you guys for what you're going to do for 8 rows. because it's after that 8 rows you are going to stop any increase. So these are increases basically that we're doing. So this 1 2 1 2 1 2 are increases. So once we get to row 8, we're not going to increase again, but you need to continue watching this video to know how many increases you're going to do per row.
Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the
Now I've gotten to the end of this particular one, and I'm going to just slip stitch so that I can finish off the whole circle. Now I've slip stitched, I'm going to chain 2 again. So like I said, after every row, chain 2. Now for row 3, you're going to put 1 double crochet in the first 2 stitches, and then 2 in the next. So in the third stitch, you're going to put 2. So now I've put 1 here, I'm going to the next stitch, I'm going to put 1 right there, and then in the next stitch I'm now going to put 2. So 1 1 2 1 1 2 1 1 2 1 1 2, just like that till you get to the other end of the circle, and you're going to now slip stitch. So like I said again, 1 1 2 1 1 2 1 1 2 continuously till you get to the end of that row right there. Now guys, I want you guys to always follow the steps correctly, because I'm going to show you guys what I encountered when I didn't follow the steps correctly. I had to loosen it and start over. So I'm going to show you guys what it looked like. It looked really wonky, so I'm going to show you guys that so that you would know that if you don't follow the right process, you might end up having like a wonky work basically.
to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now.
Now guys, I've gotten to the end of this row, and then I'm going to end it just like this and then chain 2 as we've been doing all the way. Now for row 5, you're going to put 1 double crochet in the first 3 stitches and then 2 in the 4th stitch. So remember, we've been going increasing. For this one is 1 in 3 stitches, and then the 4th stitch is going to have 2. So just like that, row 6 as well, you're going to have 1 double crochet in the first 4, and then in the 5th stitch you're going to have 2 double crochets. So first 4, then 2 in the 5th, first 4 1, 2 in the 5th. Now for row 7, you're going to have 1 double crochet in the first 5 stitches, and then in the 6th one you're going to put 2 double crochets. So just like we've been doing the process, so just continue that process just like that, so till you get to row 8. Now the one I just said was row 7. For row 8, you're going to put 1 double crochet in the first 6 stitches, and then in the 7th one you're going to put 2 double crochets. So first 6 stitches, 1 double crochet, and in the 7th one you're going to put 2 double crochets. Now from there you're going to stop any increases, and it's going to be 1 1 1 1 1 on all the stitches basically. So after row 8, make sure to stop and then just be putting 1 double crochet all around all the stitches till you get to row 12, or till you get to the measurements I'm going to show you later on in this video. Now this is what I had when I didn't follow the right process. Can you guys see how wonky it looks? It's really wonky. It didn't even curve at all, even after putting like the 1 1 all around. It didn't cover at all, so I had to loosen it and start over at about row 6 thereabout. So I just continued and did the right process there. Now guys, like I said, for row 9 to 12 you're going to do only 1 double crochet in each of the stitches all around. So continue going around, finish off at every end of the circle, chain 2, start over, continue 1 double crochet each all around just like that till you get to the measurements that you want. So be wearing it. If it's yours, you can even put it on your head and see if it actually fits your head correctly the way you want it. If you want it longer, you can make it longer. This is what it looks like when I have the cap, the base of the cap basically. It's already taking shape. I love how it looks, and it's curved correctly. Unlike the other time that I did it, it didn't curve well. This curved correctly.
Song. Next time you'll sing along. Trust me, there's nothing wrong. I just need to carry on, cause society's a myth put there to make you sit. Listen to what they give. Don't ask questions, shut your lid. Yeah, don't ask questions, shut your lid.
Now I'm going to take my measuring tape and I'm going to measure it for you guys to see. This is 5.5 inches. This is like a standard measurement, but if you want it bigger, smaller, you can make it depending on whatever measurements you're working with. So this is what mine looks like. This is amazing and I love how it's turned out. Now I'm going to finish off my circle and then I'm going to start working on the ruffles. Now that we finished off this particular round, we're now going to chain 4 because we're going to start working on our ruffles. So after chaining 4, you're going to put 2 trebles each in each of these stitches. So to make a treble, you're going to yarn over twice, insert in that hole, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over again, pull through the next 2 loops, and then yarn over again and pull through the last 2 loops. So that's how you make a treble. So like I said, we're making 2 trebles each in each stitch. So each hole is going to have 2 trebles in it. So once you've done the first 2 in this hole, you're going to move to the next hole and make 2 trebles. So like I said, how to make a treble, you yarn over twice, insert in the stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, then yarn over, pull through the next 2 loops, and then yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. So you're pulling through 2 loops 3 times. So continue going all around this circle till you get to the other end of the circle. Now guys, this is not like a quick tutorial. You're going to have to be patient when you're making this tutorial. I won't lie to you. You're going to be very patient because if you're not ending on this round, the next round is going to be you're going to really need patience. So let's get to the end of this one and I'll show you guys what next to do after that.
Feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think.
Now guys, I've gotten to the end of this particular round. I'm just going to finish off my row with a slip stitch like we've been doing. So finish it off with a slip stitch, and if you want to end here, some people wear this particular style of hat and it's always really cute, but I wanted mine to still have like more ruffles on my head so that it's just like it bounces basically. So I'm going to finish off with this and then I'm going to now continue with my trebles all around. Now guys, patience again, patience. This is not a rush work. This is not a quick thing. You're going to have to be really patient. Now guys, to continue this, I'm going to make 3 chains. So the first time we did 4 chains, but this time I'm doing 3 chains to continue this particular round. So make your 3 chains and then you're going to be inserting 4 to 5 trebles in each stitch. So each of these holes right here, these big holes you're seeing, you're going to insert 4 trebles or 5 trebles depending on how full you want your hat to be or your ruffles to be basically. So we're going to make it just like that and you're going to see that it's going to be really cute, really beautiful. So guys, patience again. I'm going to just make my 4 trebles in each stitch and then continue till I get to the end of this row, and I'm going to show you guys what I have at the end.
I take shots to the top, I'll get it. I got one life, I'ma do all to win it. I do what's right, push until I fall, I'm slipping to get back up. Always stand tall, I'm grinning. I got cuts real deep, big bruises scarred. I had to learn how to think with my head, not heart. I've been.
And guys, can you see what it's looking like? This is halfway through. I'm going to just continue till I get to the other end.
Built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step.
So can you guys see? I finished it now and it's full. It's really beautiful. This is what it looks like in the end. Guys, this was an amazing tutorial, like an amazing make. Basically, it was even my first time making it and it turned out really beautiful. So I'm just going to finish off with a slip stitch, and then I'm going to chain one, cut off my yarn and pull it out. And guys, this is what I have right here. I paired it with my central knitting machine knitted dress and my crochet shrug. I'm going to show you guys how to make these tutorials on this channel. Guys, get ready, amazing things are coming on this channel. It's beautiful. I love every bit of this ruffle hat, and I hope you guys learned a lot from it. If you guys make it, please don't forget to tag me on Instagram at Lara Creations. I'd love to showcase your work with all my growing followers, and even here on YouTube as well. I'll link the playlist of my other crochet pieces in the description box so that you guys can go check it out. It's amazing. It's an amazing playlist. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, guys. Joining as a membership basically helps the channel grow. It helps me have funds for, you know, making more pieces on this channel, getting more materials. Things are so expensive, and you know, this would help me grow this channel basically to where it's meant to be. Like this video, share within and outside your circle, and until my next video, do have yourself a wonderful morning, noon or night wherever you are. It's still your favorite content creator and fashion entrepreneur, Lara Savage, signing out.